So you wake up and you feel like it's just like any other day. Your energy is quite low for no apparent reason, but you don't really pay much attention to it because, well, you've always kind of felt that way. You don't know what the hell you're gonna do for the day, but you still wake up. When you open the blinds, the world looks dull. The world feels dark, kind of pale. There's this weird feeling of unease, like the world doesn't really care about you. You feel trapped in your house. You want to get out, but somehow you can't muster up the energy to take a walk or do anything, so you stay in another day. You feel this strange sense of loneliness, even though you have your friends, your family, your girlfriend even. Somehow the feeling still remains. Maybe you think that today will be your day, that you'll take action, that you'll switch your life around, set some goals, achieve them, become rich, become famous, or whatever. But then you stop yourself, asking yourself, well, what's the point? Why would I do all of these things if it's not going to make me happy in the end? Because life is meaningless. So then you forget everything you planned for the day and you play video games or watch self-help videos in hopes of feeling better. While they might help temporarily to kind of mask the pain, the existential dread eventually comes back. You feel the clock ticking every single day, like time is slipping you by, like you're wasting every single minute. But you should be doing something. It's hard to describe, but it's like a persistent feeling of emptiness, like a hole in your chest. And no matter how much people try to cheer you on, and no matter how much fun you seem to be having, and maybe you're out dancing on a dance floor, at a festival, it seems on the outside like I'm having a blast, but on the inside, I always feel this strange hollowness inside. If the thoughts that make me feel depressed are universal laws of nature, like the fact that we're all gonna die in the end, that life is meaningless, those are real, fundamental things that will never change. So how can I ever cure my depression? But clearly some people are genuinely happy, so there must be a way. There must be hope. It's always been hard for me to look at old videos of myself, because I know that I'll never be able to relive those moments again. Being taken care of unconditionally, having no fears, no worries in the world, and simultaneously being so fragile and vulnerable. It's truly a miracle that I'm alive and well today. And how did I survive in this cruel, unfair world? Well, I survived because of love. It's hard to watch old footage of me because it reminds me of how much my parents love me. Even my brother and sister. And how much I tend to forget. My brother and I always had a hard time growing up during adolescence, but then if you just look at the videos from a few years before that, you can see how happy times used to be, and we were getting along quite well. When he was little, my brother asked my mother if he could have a little brother. So it's truly because of him that I exist. I watch these videos again from time to time, trying to let go of who I was, making peace with the fact that life is so short, making peace with the past so I can make more space for the future. We live and we die. That's just life. I may have built the illusion that I'm strong, independent and self-sufficient, but There's always the inner child in me that secretly wished that he could go back in time and revert back to a time when things used to be easier. You had everything: love, happiness, food, shelter, toys, everything. Weakness was not an issue, and innocence was welcomed. But for grown men and women, innocence is a sure path towards foolishness. So why live life? Why do all of these things? Set goals, achieve them, build your career, go on trips, meet people, make videos and all that, if it's all pointless? Well, I guess why not? There's nothing better to do in life, really. Life is short, and it'll be over in no time, so might as well try and do something with it, anything, and leave the past behind. Those fleeting moments of happiness, of meaning, of contribution, of love, of creation, even if they only happen once in a while, during the depths of your despair, even if you have to go through months or even years of suffering to have those fleeting moments, even if you don't know when your next moment will be, I think that it's still worth a shot. Life is still worth the shot, so long as you make the best out of these moments.